Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to turn up these $1.79 TEMU nails and make them look like I am fresh out of the salon, honey, and I'm using all TEMU nail products to do it. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into these nails. These nails were $1.79. The quality looks pretty good. They're pretty stiff at the tip, pretty flexible at the cuticle. They don't have much of a curve to them, but they still fit my natural nail beds really good. So the first thing I'm doing is just sizing my press-on nail to fit my natural nail, making sure everything fits from side wall to side wall, and my complete nail bed is covered without any spaces or gaps or anything in between, because if you have spaces and gaps, that means that is not the correct size for your finger and you need to pick a larger size. So let's get into this one with this really big chunky diamond in the center of it. I love that, and we're gonna put that one on my middle finger, and then this one looks like it fits my ring finger, and it does. And I'm gonna pick the same nail sizes for my other hand, so I'm just picking out my nails according to my finger size so I can have them all lined up and ready to put on. And this is the set that I put together, and doesn't that look so cute? These are going to be so cute when I put them on. So the next step is to start prepping, and I just took my nail clipper and I'm clipping my natural nails down because they did grow out a little bit from my last set. If you missed the last set that I put on, it was the Beyonce Renaissance nails, and you guys have to go check that video out. Those nails came out so bomb. So yeah, I'm just clipping my natural nails down, and now I am going to grab a wooden cuticle pusher. This did not come with the nail set. This actually came in another nail set, so I'm just using this one to push my cuticles back. If you have thick and crusty cuticles, your press-on nails will not last very long. So you always want to make sure your cuticles are pushed back and you clean your cuticles up. And then what I'm doing next is using the small nail file that came with the press-on nails, and I am just knocking the shine from the top of my natural nails. As I always say, this is important when you're prepping so that you have a rough surface for the glue to stick to versus a smooth shiny surface. Your nails will lift sooner. If your surface of your natural nail is roughened up a little bit, the glue will adhere better and your nails will last longer. So next I'm going to go in with my TEMU Nail dehydrator. And somebody had commented under one of the videos, I think it was my TEMU haul video, when I was showing this dehydrator. Somebody had mentioned that it had a strong smell, but I don't smell anything at all. So yeah, and even the primer doesn't have a strong smell at all. So I'm not sure what that person was saying, but I haven't had an issue with the smell of the dehydrator or the primer. So next I applied my primer so that my nails will further be dehydrated, and just to get the remaining grease and oils from my nail plate. And I want to do like a little design on the ones that don't have a rhinestone on them, the ones that are just the regular French tip ones. So I'm using my nail stand that is also from TEMU, and the nail clay to place the nails onto the nail stand is also from TEMU as well. I love using this nail stand when I am doing nail designs so that I can do them easier without the nails being on my natural nails. It's so much easier to do when you have a nail stand if you are into nail art or designing your own nails. So I also got this 12 color nail art gel liner pack from TEMU, and we are going to use color number 11, which is silver. Since the nails have those silver rhinestones on them, I wanted to give a pop of silver to the ones that are just the plain pink French tip. And I'm not doing anything too extra, just a plain silver sparkly line where the French tip begins. So I'm just gently and carefully going around the line of the French tip. And now that I have my first line on there, I'm just putting a little bit more polish onto the brush so that I can make the line a little bit thicker so that it stands out on the nails. Super simple and easy to do, not too much, just, something to make the French tips pop a little bit more. And that was super easy to do. And I did the same thing to all the other nails. I grabbed my large nail lamp, set it for 60 seconds, and put the whole nail stand with the nails and all up under there and cured it for 60 seconds. And look how nice that looks. Very classy and cute to go with the pink. I love it. And the clay is really easy to remove. Once you're done using your nail stand, you just peel that clay off. You may have a little bit of clay residue stuck to the underside of the press-on nail, but it comes off really easy. Just take your finger and get the rest of the clay off, and boom, just like that, you're good to go. So now we ready to start applying these nails, and I'm using this nail glue from TEMU as well. It's the brush on nail glue. The brush on nail glue is super easy to use. You just brush it on as if you are painting your nail. And you want to just make sure you have a nice layer of glue all over your natural nail. Make sure you have a little bubble so that the nails will, stick really well. If you put too little nail glue, they will not stick well. And you're just going to line your press on nail up with your cuticle, press down and hold for 30 seconds. I'm also going to use my other fingers to help me hold the nail down and hold the side walls of the nails down as well so that they can stick really well to my natural nails. So press the nail down and also press down against your side walls so your nail comes out perfect, just like that. So I'm going to start on my right hand because I know I put that first nail on my left hand, but since I am right-handed, it's easier for me to do my right hand with my left hand if my left hand doesn't have nails on them. So if you are right-handed, always start, with your right hand using your left hand. And if you're left-handed, always start with your left hand using your right hand so that it's easier to apply your nails onto your dominant hand with your non-dominant hand. If that makes sense, I hope I explained that right. Drop a comment and let me know if y'all understood that, because I feel like I explained that, but I'm not sure if y'all caught on to what I was trying to say, but hopefully you did. So let's apply this super cute middle fingernail. I loved that big old rhinestone that's on this middle finger. The middle finger just eats, like it's eating like it's eating the rest of the nails up. And this is how the nails look once they are all on. And I am just going to continue applying the nails onto my left hand. So since I'm using my right hand that got all the nails, it's much easier and quicker for me to do my left hand. That's what I was trying to say. So now that we are done with all the nails, we are going to apply 2 layers of this TEMU gel top coat. And I love this top coat. Normally I use another one, but this TEMU one has become my favorite top coat to use because it's so thick. And since I'm applying these press-on nails and they are kind of on the thin side, even though they're very sturdy, they're on the thin side. Applying this TEMU top coat definitely gives them an extra layer of thickness and security, and it also helps them to be nice and shiny and gives the nails that salon quality finish, which is what I'm always going for. So on the ones that have the rhinestones on them, I'm not applying top coat over the rhinestones. I'm just going around the rhinestones. And since this one has that big old diamond in the middle, I want to make sure these stones do not fall off easily. So I'm making sure I am applying a nice thick layer up under that chunky rhinestone to make sure that it is nice and secure so that it will not come off. This top coat comes in a bundle with a base coat, and I think it was only $6.99, which is really good for a base coat and a top coat together. And make sure you guys check the description box because I will have these nails and all the products that I used linked in the description. And make sure you guys use my referral code FAVE23582 so that you can get a $100 coupon bundle from TEMU, and it'll help you save on your order. So if you are new to TEMU, you are eligible for that coupon code. If you already have TEMU, I'm sorry, it's only for new users. But if you have TEMU, you already know what's up. They have so many things always on sale, so many lightning deals, cheap prices for great quality stuff, free, fast shipping. My orders always come within 5 days. 7 days at the latest. So y'all already know what's going on. If you are new to TEMU, you are going to love it there and you will be addicted. Okay, so I just applied that top coat to my left hand and cured it for 60 seconds, and now I applied it to my right hand and cured that for 60 seconds as well. And then I also applied a second top coat and cured it on both hands for another 60 seconds. And now we are going to go in with our cuticle oil, which is also from TEMU. I have the scent strawberry, and it does smell like strawberries. It smells so good, and it really is a good cuticle oil. It keeps my cuticles nice and moisturized. And taking care of your cuticles is very important. Dry cuticles are just not cute. It makes your fingers look dry and just crusty looking, and we can't be having no dry, crusty cuticles with some cute nails. And then you want to rub that cuticle oil into your cuticles and your fingers. If they're dry, it's okay to use it, like the oil for your hands as well. And this is the finished look of the nails, and y'all can't tell me it don't look like I am fresh out of the nail shop. Okay, remember how plain the nails looked before? Now the pink is popping because of the top coat. The nail glue works amazing. As you can see, they are very much sturdy and strong, and yeah, the nails came out so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You are going to love it here. If you are viewing this video and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I got a lot more content coming. I had to do me another pink set. I know we are in the season of fall, and baby, let me tell you, the fall nails and things that I plan to do are going to be amazing. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.